Hello everyone. Let's start the class. In our last lecture, we have discussed about different number systems, decimal number systems, binary number systems, and hexadecimal number systems. Right? Decimal or denary, binary, and hexadecimal number system. Okay. So I gave you the very important concept of binary and told you a story. Remember that formula: 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, right? Okay. So how to convert the decimal number into binary? First, let's start from denary to binary conversion. ठीक है बेटा? We have two methods for this. That's very simple, by the way. Method one, for example, we have Danny number 29. So, how to convert this number into binary? Divide it by 2. Why 2? Because we are converting it into binary. This number is, sorry, this number is going to be converted in binary. So, that's why इसका मैं LCM ले रहा हूँ और आई एम डिवाइडिंग इट बाई टू. टू वंस आर टू, टू फोर्स आर एट. दिस इज रिमाइंडर. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. टू, बेटा ये उस वक्त तक हम डिवाइड करेंगे जब तक कि हमारे पास द नंबर वी हैव दैट शुड बी लेस देन टू. उस वक्त तक हम इसे डिवाइड करते रहेंगे. टू सेवन आर 14, रिमाइंडर 0. टू थ्रीज आर 6, remainder 1. Two ones are 2, 1 remainder. ठीक हो गया बेटा? That's it. इतनी सी बात थी. So that's not a big deal. बेटा यहाँ से we are going to take the numbers from this point and 1, 1, 1, then 0, then this is 1. I just took the remainders, right? Beta, if I implement the binary formula here, then you would know okay, now this is equal to 29. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So this one is on, so this one is off because it's 0, right? 0 mean off. Off mean I'm not taking this value. This for 8, 16. Now let's add all the one numbers. 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1. 16 plus 8, 24. 24 plus 4, 28. 28 plus 1, 29. That's it. This is the first method. Let's move on to the second method. बेटा ये उससे भी ज़्यादा सिंपल है. Method number 2. Okay, let's write down the formula. Remember, we always write the formula from right to left. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Why I am writing, I am taking 8 bits. ये मैं आगे जाकर बताऊंगा आपको, right? You just need to concentrate on that. 29. So this is greater than 29. I am not taking this value. See this. So this is 0. So this 64 is greater than 29. I am not taking this value. 32 is greater than 29. I am ignoring it. Okay, 16. Okay, that's fine. 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 8, 28. 28 plus 1, 29. That's it. So अगर आप मैच करो बेटा, so we have this value matched. That's up to you बेटा, ये कोई भी method you can use, any method, right? Is that clear? So this was binary to binary conversion. अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं कन्वर्जन बाइनरी टू डेसिमल और डेनरी कन्वर्जन. ओके, डेसिमल conversion or denary conversion. Say for example, we have a random number 1010111111. I don't know क्या बनता है, but let's start this. Let's convert this number into denary number. Again, you have to write down the formula just above it, and you will find out कि this is simple. ये भी उसी तरह simple है, right? Where is that? My pens. कहाँ चले गए? Yes. Okay. So let me write down the formula: 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512. Right? So let's all those values which are ones, right? So we are ignoring, I'm ignoring this value 0, 0, 64 value 0 and the 4 value, right? Because these are off values, so I am not taking it, right? 512 plus 128 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1. Okay. सो ये कितना बनता है बेटा? वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट वट एवर द आंसर इज बेटा, ये कैलकुलेट कर देना. सो दैट इज़ अ डेसिमल और डेनरी नंबर. बेटा इसे ऐड कर ही लेते हैं. जस्ट गिव मी अ मिनट, लेट मी यूज द कैलकुलेटर. 512 प्लस 128 प्लस 32 प्लस 16 प्लस 11. So we have 699. 699, right? This is a decimal number, denary number. So this number is equal to, binary number is equal to 699. Beta, is that clear? Okay, that's fine. Okay, so binary to decimal, this is the binary to decimal. And now we have hexadecimal number systems. Hexadecimal number systems. Hexadecimal number conversion. Beta, how many numbers we have in hexadecimal number? Yes, that's fine. 16. And we start from 0 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we start using alphabets. A, it's representing 10, B 11, C 12, D 13, E 14, and F is 15. So now total numbers we have 16. Is that clear? Clear, beta? Now, coming back to the point, beta, just recall that story that I told you. We have we had chess box. What was the story? On the very first day, one piece of rice. Next day, two pieces of rice. Next day, four, eight, and so on. Right? Beta, we call them bits. For example, if I place one here, one here, and one on the very first place. So these are the 4 bits. Is that clear? 4 bits means, beta, 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. We have 15 numbers, right? But if we start, we start from zeros. Zero, 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 zero. We cannot ignore it, right? So this is the very first number. So when we add this number, we have total 16 numbers. Is that clear? Boys, girls, Kashif, Ahmad. Okay, okay, okay. That's fine. That's fine. बिल्कुल ठीक हो गया. Right? Now let me tell you how to represent these numbers. बेटा अभी समझ आएगा आ जाएगा आपको. नो नीड टू वरी, राइट? अभी लेट मी 3/1. नो, 3/13. 3 and 15. बेटा can you see that? Okay, so this is decimal number, this is binary, and this is hexa. Better right now I'm telling you how to write the numbers in binary, right? So it's simple. Decimal में how do we write 1? 1 ऐसे लिखते हैं हम. Let me change the pen. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Again, same thing. We are ignoring all zeros. Let's say ये पहला नंबर आपका 000, right? So in binary, how do we write 1? Remember that formula: 1, 2, 4, 8. Beta, the values you are taking, that should be 1, and the rest of the values will be 0. बेटा समझ आई आपको? Binary formula is 1, 2, 4, 8. So I'm just turning on that bits. Now I am using that word bit because I am using now zeros and ones. So I'll be using bits. देखिए इस वन के नीचे मैंने वन लगा दिया, रेस्ट ऑफ द बिट्स आर जीरोज, सो दिस इज हाउ वी राइट वन इन बाइनरी. So let me write it 0001. So how do I write 2? So just below 2 I am writing 1, और बाकी वैल्यूज बाकी बिट्स जो होंगी वो those bits will be 0. So that's equal to 2. Are you getting my point? This is interesting now. Okay, this is equal to 2. And how do we write 3? 2 plus 1, I am turning these bits on. 2 plus 1 3, and rest of the bits will be off. So this is equal to 3. 1 plus 2 3, और ये ऐसे हो गया 3, राइट. 4 कैसे लिखते हैं? 4, 4 के नीचे मैंने 1 प्लेस कर दिया है, एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द बिट्स विल बी 0. 4 0 0 1 0. 5 1 plus 4 5, 1 2 4, right. 5 6, beta 1, this bit will be off. 2 plus 4 6, this makes 6. 2 plus 4 0 double 1 0 7 1 1 1 0. So that is equal to 7 1 1 1 0. And 8 means, beta अब मैं डायरेक्ट कर रहा हूँ, right? I am not using this. I hope you got the point, right? 1 2 4 8, yes. 9 1 2 4 8, 8 plus 1 9, 10. 1 2 4 8, 8 plus 2 10. कंफ्यूज? बेटा कंफ्यूज नहीं होना आपने. 8 प्लस 2 10 होते हैं ना बेटा. So 1 0 1 0. So this is equal to 10. 11 means 8 plus 2 10 हो गए. 10 plus 1 11. This will be off. 1 0 1 1, right. 12, 8 plus 4 12, 13. 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13. 14 1 1 1 0 15, all ones. 1 1 1 1. ठीक हो गया बेटा. So this is equal to 1 1 1 1, that is equal to 15. Is that clear beta? So how do we write in hexa? बेटा सेम सिनेरियो. 1 ऐसे लिखेंगे हम, 1 ट्रिपल 0 जैसे हमने ये बाइनरी में लिखा हुआ है, राइट. 2 बिल्कुल ऐसे लिखेंगे. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, up till 9. 10 means, how do we write 10? Hexa में we write it A, then 11 B, C, D, E, and then F. Is that clear, beta? Any question? Please, you can ask me. Hassan, Ali, Afan, Mustafa. Clear, beta? Shall I move now? Okay, आगे चलते हैं. Now it's very easy ना, कि now you have, say for example, you have hexa number. You have hexa number, for example, A5. How do you convert that number into binary? Yes, that's great. बिल्कुल ठीक है बेटा आपने. 5, again write down the formula. बेटा शुरू में you can use this, but when you are good in doing activities and exercise, so without this formula you can do this easily, right? 1 2 4 8. आप फार्मूला लिख लें, देन कन्वर्ट दिस, दैट्स इजी. 4 plus 1, that is 5. Rest of the bits will be 0. A mean 10. 8 plus 2, 10. Rest of the bits will be 0. So that is equal to A5. 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1. Now it makes sense, right? Now it makes sense. So this binary number, that is equal to 5 and A. Is that clear, beta? Let's say, चलें एक और एग्जांपल करते हैं. नाउ कन्वर्ट, चलें एक और एग्जांपल करते हैं, देन आई टेल यू हाउ टू कन्वर्ट द बाइनरी नंबर इनटू हेक्सा. फॉर एग्जांपल वी हैव B9D7. So we can divide this because hexadecimal number, hexadecimal number has 16 numbers. So 4 bits will be using, we are using 4 bits for every number. 7 mean 1 2 4 8. How do we write 7 in binary? 0 4 plus 2 plus 1. So that is equal to 7. D means, here we go. D means 13. 1 2 4 8. 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13. That's it. 9 1 2 4 8. That's simple. 8 plus 1 9. बेटा ये 9 हो गया आपका. B mean 11. So 11, where is 11? So this is 11. B is equal to 1 2 4 8. 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 1 11. That's it. B 9 D 7. Is that clear, beta? Any question? Zikriya, Rizwan, Ahmad, Ali, any question, beta? Clear? Okay, that's great. Okay, for example, now we know, now you can convert denary number into binary, and binary number into denary or decimal, hexa into binary, and binary into hexa. Say for example, we have a long series of ones and zeros, right? So we are going to make a group of 4 bits. This is a binary number and we are converting this into hexa, right? Let's make a group of 4 bits. Why 4? Because again and again I am telling you hexadecimal number system has 16 numbers. So we need 4 bits. 4 bits, remember that chess box. 1 2 4 8. 4 bits, 4 boxes. 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 2 14 plus 1 15, and 0 is included in this. That makes 16 numbers, right? So let's make a group. 1 2. बेटा पेपर में आपने ऐसे ही करना है. If the question comes like this, तो you are going to group them in 4 bits. Remember, always start from your right side. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 and 1. Say for example, यहाँ पर एक और 1 है. 1 2 3 4. बेटा what happens with this 1? So no need to worry. इस 1 के आगे you can pad 3 zeros. It doesn't make any difference, right? So एक ग्रुप आपका ये बन गया. So write down the formula just above it. 1 2 4 8. 1 2 4 8. 1 2 4 8. 1 2 4 8. 1 2 4 8 1. और ये सब 2 4 8. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 7. हाउ कम्स? बेटा ये ऐड कर लें आप सब लोग. 4 + 2 + 1, दीज बिट्स आर ऑन, राइट? तो इसको ऐड करते हैं, देन वी गेट 7. सो दिस 8 + 4 + 2 + 1, इट मेक्स 15. And this 1 2 4 8, it makes 14. 1 2 4 8, 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13. Then 1 2 4 8, 8 plus 2 plus 1 11, and this is equal to 1. So let's convert this, finalize this thing. 1. Beta 11 is equal to what? Yes, B. 13 is equal to D. Okay, that's great. 14 is equal to E, and 15 is equal to F 7. So now this is your hexa number. So this binary number, अगर आप इसे convert करते हैं into hexa, so this would be the hexa number. Is that clear, beta? Any question? Hamad, Rahim, Vishal, Alina, Raida, Abdur Rahman. Any question, beta? So that's great. So how to convert decimal number decimal number decimal into hexa? बेटा बुक में आपके डिफरेंट मेथड्स हैं, बट आई एम टेलिंग यू द वेरी सिंपल मेथड. Say for example we have 29, again 29, right? Let's convert this number into hexa. First you need to convert this into binary. Okay, let's do it. 29, इसका एलसीएम ले रहा हूँ मैं, राइट? 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 1 remainder. 2 7s are 14, 0 remainder. 2 3s are 6, 1 remainder. 2 1s are 2, 1 remainder. और ये 1 जो है ये 2 से छोटा है, सो आई एम नॉट टेकिंग दिस वैल्यू. आगे फर्दर ये नहीं हो रहा है. सो स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट, एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट पे बेटा ये आएगा 1. देन आई एम टेकिंग दिस नंबर 1. नाउ दिस नंबर 1 0, देन दिस नंबर 1. ठीक हो गया बेटा? So this is a binary number. Now convert this into hexa. Make a group of 4 bits. One, two, three, four. बेटा एक ग्रुप ये बन गया है, एंड दिस इज द ओनली वन, सो आई विल पैड 3 more zeros. इट डजेंट मेक एनी डिफरेंस. तो अब इसकी वैल्यू हो गई है 1, एंड व्हाट इज दैट? 1 2 4 8. 8 + 4 12, 12 plus 1 13, right? 13, which means 1D. Is that clear, beta? Okay, next video mein beta we'll start converting the hexa number into decimal with other methods as well. ठीक है बेटा? So I'll give you some definitely activities or exercises so you can have grip on this topic. ठीक है बेटा? Okay, take care. Allah.